How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a vein workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we will be doing today is gonna be called a forearm curls downward. So what we're going to do, I'll show you guys how you do it. I'm only going to show you guys one arm just so I kind of fit in the camera. You guys should be doing both arms. So both arms should be extended and you should be doing this. I'm going to roll up my sleeves so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. So wrist downwards means you have your hand like this and all you do is you go downward. So we're going to do 20 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For anyone wondering if this actually works, look at the muscle, look at the forearm muscle being flexed when we're doing this. This exercise is a fantastic exercise. And one of the exercises that I actually did to really help my grip strength, my forearm strength, was similar to this, except for it was on the side. So I'll show you guys what I mean. I did a forearm curl where you would have the dumbbell on your side like this. You would just raise up like this. So I would do, I called it a forearm curl, and I would use 120 pounds. I would do forearm curls. Amazing exercise, simply amazing. And that was one of my tips to really get veins and to really develop your forearms. We will do another 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We'll do this for about 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes. We'll get in 5 sets of 20 repetitions, so we will get 100 repetitions in. That's kind of what I like to do with my videos. I like to make my repetitions 100. 100 is a good amount of reps. And it really doesn't matter how many sets you do. What matters is the total volume. So some people may say, oh, we're only doing 10 reps or 20 reps. Yeah, but we're doing 5 sets with 20. We're doing 10 sets with 10 reps. We're getting 100 repetitions. You don't need to be doing 500 repetitions every day to see results. Trust me on this, you guys. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 20. Really make sure at the end, like this, that you squeeze your forearm. That is very important to do. This is actually my first video of the day. I know you guys can never tell what my first video is of the day just because, unless I tell you, because all my videos are scheduled. So if there's the first video of the day playing is always at 8 o'clock in the morning, that could actually be my 7th video of the day because I made it, like I'm 3 weeks ahead on my scheduling. So this is the first video of the day for me. It's 8:30 and yeah, just get into it. Do another 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. I can only do 3 videos today. I shouldn't actually even be doing any because I have roughly 4 hours of schooling to do today. So it's not too bad. I'll do 2 hours, probably do, when I'm done the videos, I'll probably be done the videos at 9 o'clock, 9:30. Do my schooling 9:30 to 11:30, take a little break, 3-4 hours, then come back, do another 2 hours, and boom, done. And that's what I mean. If you guys want to get stuff done on the weekends, you can, or even during the weekdays. You just have to plan your time. I know during the weekdays, I'll spend at least 3 hours doing YouTube videos, making 9 to 12 videos. So come the weekend, that is the time that I have to buckle down and do the schooling. 6, 7, 8, 20. Oh, my forearm is sore. Again, when you're doing this, both arms should be extended. I'm just showing you guys one arm just for demonstration purposes. Yeah, so end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it, and please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. Thank you.